With these kind of Venn diagram questions, you've just got to make sure you're really careful. So we're looking at all the numbers from 1 to 10. A is then the odd numbers, B is the square numbers. I'm going to put our odd numbers down between 1 and 10, and that's 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Then our square numbers is going to be 1 times 1, which is 1, 2 times 2, which is 4, 3 times 3, which is then 9, and then the next one will be too big. So, on our Venn diagram, if you're here, you're in A and not in B, so that means you're just an odd number. If you're in the middle here, it means you're in A and B, so that's an odd square number. If you're in here, it means you're in B and not A, so you're a square number and you're not odd, so i.e. you're even. And then if you're on the outside, that means you're not an odd number and you're not a square number. So we're going to go through 1 all the way through to 10 and then see where that goes. So with 1, that's an odd number and a square number, so that's then going to go in the middle. With 2, that's an even number, so that will then go outside, and it's an even number and it's not a square number, so it goes out of both of the circles. 3 is an odd number and it's not square, so it's just going to go in A. 4 is a square number and it's not odd, so it's just going to go into B. 5 is odd, so that's going to go into just A. 6, that's going to go on the outside, it's not odd and it's not a square number. 7 is then an odd number and not square, so it's just going to go in A. 8, that's going to go on the outside, and then 9 is both square and odd, so that's going to go in the middle. And then finally 10, that's not an odd number and not a square number, so that's going to go outside as well. Part B then says a number is chosen at random from the universal set. Find the probability that this number is in B dash, and whenever you've got a dash it means not. So what that is saying there is find the probability that it's not in B. So I'm going to highlight all of the ones that are outside the B circle, and you can see that there. So we're choosing 1 at random from all of those numbers, and there's 10 numbers in total because all of the numbers were 1 all the way through to 10. I'm now going to count how many I highlighted, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So your answer for this would then be 7 over 10.